Good morning everyone. Children, in our previous class we have completed exercise 9.3 and there was some problem in our second video. So contents of that video will complete in this part. So our next topic is multiplication of a binomial by a binomial. In our previous class you have learnt about multiplication of a monomial with binomial. Now binomial with binomial, how to multiply? We'll use distributive law. Now in this what we'll do, there are two terms in a binomial. So the first term of the first binomial will be multiplied with the second binomial. Just see how 2x will be multiplied with 4x minus 3. Now the second term we have 5 will multiply this also with 4x minus 3. Now first of all we'll multiply this part. 4 2s are, this will be 8x square. Now this 2x will be multiplied with the second term. This will be minus 6x. Now same way we'll multiply this part also. So this will become 20x minus 15. Now these two are like terms. So we have to add these two, but one positive and one negative sign is there. So we'll subtract this. So it will be 8x square plus 14x minus 15. So this is the solution of the multiplication of a binomial 2x plus 5 with another binomial 4x minus 3. Now I am taking its third part. It's a 2.5L minus 0.5M. Second bracket we have 2.5L plus 0.5M. Now procedure is same. So first term we have 2.5L, we'll multiply with the second binomial 2.5L plus 0.5M. Now second we have minus 0.5M. This will be multiplied with 2.5L plus 0.5M. Now we'll multiply this part. It will be 6.25L square plus 1.25 ml minus, now these two we have to multiply, one positive one negative sign is there. So on multiplication the sign will become minus 1.25 lm. lm and ml is the same thing, minus 0.25 m square. Now these two are like terms, same terms are there, but with one positive and one negative sign. So these two will cancel. Now answer of this question will be 6.25 L square minus 0.25 m square. So you can complete question number 1. Now question number 2, that is also same. Find the product. Again multiplication of binomials is given to you. I am taking its second part. This is x plus 7y. You have to multiply with 7x minus y. So first term, that is x, will multiply this one with 7x minus y. Now second term we have 7y, that also will be multiplied with 7x minus y. Now this will be 7x square. Now this x will be multiplied by y minus xy. Now plus 49xy minus 7y square. these two terms are like terms. So 7x square, one positive, one negative is there. 49 is of positive and xy means 1xy is of negative. So it will be plus 48xy minus 7y square. Now question number 3, that is simplification. Now there are different types of questions. I am taking its first part. You have to multiply two binomials and 25 you have to add in it. So first of all we have to multiply these two binomials. So the first binomial, first term is x square. We'll multiply this x square with x plus 5. Now minus 5, again we have to multiply this with x plus 5 plus 25. Now x square, when we'll multiply with x, it will be x cube. Now second term we'll get 5x square. Now second bracket we have to multiply with minus 5. So this will be minus 5x minus 25, because one positive and one negative sign is there. Now plus 25 we have to write it. X cube plus 5x square minus 5x minus 25 plus 25. These two are like terms, one positive, one negative. We'll cancel these. So this is our answer, x cube minus 5x square minus 5x. Now I am taking fourth part of question number 3. This is a plus b, you have to multiply with c minus d, plus a minus b, you have to multiply it with c plus d, plus 2 into ac plus bd. Now first of all we have to solve this one. First part, a plus b, you have to multiply with c minus d. So a we have to multiply with c minus d. Now we'll taking second term, b we have to multiply with c minus d. Now we'll take second part of this question, plus a we have to multiply with c plus d, minus b we have to multiply c plus d, plus 2 we have to multiply ac plus bd. Now this will be ac minus ad plus bc minus bd plus ac plus ad minus bc minus bd plus double of ac plus double bd. Now like terms we'll write together. First term we have ac, we'll write this one ac. Now we'll check, this is also ac, we'll write with this. Then we have second last term ac, this is plus 2 ac. Now we'll check our second term, that is minus ad. We'll take minus ad. Now we have plus ad also. Now we'll check third term, that is bc. One more bc we have, minus bc. Now we'll take bd, minus bd. Again we have minus bd. Then last term we have plus 2 bd. Now these two are positive, this one also positive. So first three terms, that are AC, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 AC. AD minus AD plus AD, these two will cancel. Plus BC minus BC, these two also will cancel. minus BD plus 2BD. So this will be minus 2BD plus 2BD. Again these two will cancel. So the answer of this question is AC. So you can complete exercise 9.4